Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make coping. So basically, in this video, I'm going to teach you three ways you can make a coping in SketchUp, and of course in real life too, in architecture also. So basically, let's consider that this is a parapet wall of a terrace, and here is the basic way of coping. So the very simple way that people actually add the coping is that making a simple stone on the parapet like this, which is totally wrong, and you should not be doing this if you are a good architect. The first way of doing it is just extend it 50 mm towards the outer side, and then make a small groove on one of the side for the water drip, and simply pull that totally away like this.